Saludos, amores. Welcome back to another Saucy Sunday. You already know I come to you fresh with a new saucy little something that you can put in your dishes all summer long in the months of June, July, August, and a little bit of September. We're kind of getting close to the end, folks. We're kind of getting close to the end. It's a little bit scary because what am I going to do on Sundays now? Talk to myself like I'm doing right now, but with nothing to do? I don't know. I'll figure it out. But today's sauce, you guessed it, we're using the food processor, so that's why this is empty. We'll come back here to taste the sauce that we're making, but we're just going to jump to the food processor to get things going. Today's Saucy Sunday is a sauce that was recommended by someone in the Chichos family. If you follow me on social media, on Instagram, I have the broadcast channel, Loving Your Chichos IRL. And basically in there, I share tips to love your chichos and also do polls, questions, share my thoughts with my community. And I got some requests for some sauces. This sauce was the things I had the most of in the house and the ones that I felt most confident in being able to execute as opposed to some of the others that were suggested. But maybe we'll try one of the other ones that are there. Today we're going to be making ZHOUG. There's a bunch of different pronunciations for this sauce. Basically, it's going to be a little bit citrusy, cilantro-y, and delicious, and spicy. This is a Yemeni-based sauce, so let's just jump right into it before I start yapping. The main ingredients for this sauce is cilantro, jalapeños, garlic, lime, olive oil. This is coriander, cumin from my friend Fadila, and the leftover crushed red peppers. I got this little hair on me. My mom used to always say, if there's a hair, get a napkin and throw it out. So the first thing we're going to do is process the garlic. I actually don't remember how much garlic it asks for, but I think since I'm doing 3 jalapeño, 3 garlic is a good start. More or less as we need it, I guess. So I'm really excited to try this sauce. Apparently, Trader Joe's also makes this sauce or sells this sauce. I never have really lived by a Trader Joe's. Like, it's always been 30 minutes away from me, so I never really shopped there. But I know people love their Trader Joe's. So if Trader Joe's is making this and people love it and it's an old school traditional recipe, you know it's about to be good. So let's start off with processing the garlic. We're just going to add in the cilantro. So this is just one bunch of cilantro. Already looking like we're about to be out of here in 2 seconds. Ooh, smells so good also. Now, let's add the peppers. I'm going to, a lot of the recipes that I saw use different kinds of peppers at different kinds of heat, and they all keep the seeds. What I'm gonna do is, should we keep the seeds? Should we keep the seeds or should we take them out? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. I think I'll keep half the seeds. I don't want it to be too spicy if I'm being honest. But jalapenos aren't like that spicy, you know? Also, watching hot ones in the background. It's like, yeah, I could do this. I could handle heat. Have you ever eaten chicken wings on a hot ones level? I have. It's hot. All right, so we're going to do a mix of with the seeds, without the seeds. Let's also cut them in half just so we can get them a little bit better. Uh-oh. Some flew in my eye. All right, we have some going in the processor. The seeds and stuff I will throw out. I wish we had a composter situation in this town. Okay, let's pulse. Scrape down the sides, make sure everything is nice together. I love dips that use herbs because then we get like a beautiful way to get in some antioxidants. You know, like those good old guys that are going to be there to help you fight off infections in your body, get things in order. It's really a beautiful thing to have them in there. Great for your blood health. Let's start off with the juice of 1 lime, and then we'll add more as we need it. Also, if you know how to properly store lemons and limes, can you let me know? Because my limes always turn either brown or yellow. I don't know why. It's very actually frustrating. We're also going to take this time to add in our cumin. This is from my friend Fadila at her co-op that she works at or participates in, Park Slope Co-op, I believe. I hope that's right. I'll correct it if I'm wrong. We're going to try to add like 1/4. I should probably also take it out this bag, but I haven't. It's so strong. Woo! This thing traveled to Texas with me. Okay, we're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of the coriander. I've never like had coriander on hand, so interesting for me to have this. That's why I don't want to buy one. And then we're going to add just a little bit of the crushed red peppers because we already put in some heat from the seeds. Then we're going to blend that up. And now we're going to add in the oil because we need oil for our sauce. We need fat. I want this to be like a little bit of a chimichurri, that kind of sauciness. I wish you guys could smell this. Wow, doesn't she look beautiful? I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Scrape down the bottom. Ooh. Oh my God. It smells so good. It smells so good. Good. Okay. Let's give it a taste. Look at it. So beautiful. Oh my God. That thing is spicy, but it's so good on some grilled meat. It would be fire if I had some like grilled steak, grilled fish, grilled veggies even. Oh my God, that's like touching my soul. It's so good. Why have I not heard of this before? Why have I not heard of this before? This might be the best sauce yet. It just like, it's like chimichurri, but if chimichurri was like, oh, you're my man. That's what it's like. That's really what it's like. I'm so sad that we don't have any meat, grilled meat right now. We're going to try it on a tuna and crackers. But let's give it a taste together. This was our quickest recipe yet. Tastiest recipe yet. Might be #1 so far. Whew. Definitely the perfect amount of heat. Definitely. Just one moment to look at her because she's beautiful. Okay, so we're going to be trying this on a cracker with tuna. Not my dog. She looked at me like, huh? This is just plain tuna fish with mayo. Let's give it a quick smear. I didn't want to put anything in the tuna because I wanted to let the sauce shine. And boy, is she shining. ZHOUG, you the best. You know that guy on YouTube, on TikTok, that be making stuff that he sees on TikTok and then makes a song about it after? That's how I feel about this. I want to make a melody about you. You're so tasty. Okay, then we have the ZHOUG So tell me how to pronounce this correctly, because again, I heard so many different pronunciations online. Unclear. But ZHOUG feels like maybe I'm right, but I could be wrong. And if I'm wrong, it's not intentional at all. Please let me know in the comments how to pronounce it correctly. Look. I think we get a thumbnail with this. All right, let's get it. Let's do 2 spoonfuls so we can, let me do one more in case, because I don't want it to double dip. Double dip and then tuna dip. No, thank you, ma'am. Wow, you're so beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Open your eyes. Look at it. Look at it. Little Maldon salt on here. Okay, I want a bite that has like enough tuna fish. Literally straight to the warmth of your stomach. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot we were recording. I'm having such a good time with this thing. Oh my gosh. This might be the sauce of the summer. This might be the Saucy Sunday summer sauce you need to try right this minute. And you need to tell me when you make it, because I want to see it. Maria, thank you. Thank you for introducing me to this sauce. Thank you for introducing the community to this sauce. It's just so good. Perfect for barbecues. Perfect for any kind of meat protein that you're grilling. I really wanted to put this on some white beans and toast or cracker, but we only had kidney beans, and I can only eat kidney beans. I can only eat kidney beans if it's like stewed. I'm gonna enjoy this. This was so good. This is so good. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first Saucy Sunday, please check out the other videos. We've been having a great time all summer long, cooking up some delicious sauces that you can add to your dishes all summer long. And if you have a Saucy Sunday that you want me to make, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to talk in the comments and also hear from you what you'd like for me to make. I'll see you next week with our next Saucy Sunday pick. Until then, have a beautiful week. I'll see you next week. Bye. Love you.